get a ticket with these, bro. This shit is loud as fuck. So I'm back with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Check out my other videos. Like, comment, share. Follow me on Instagram. So if you got any questions, you could go ahead and send me a DM on there. Now, as y'all can see from the title, I will be installing my RV6 Precat deletes. Those of you who don't know what Precat deletes are, those are pretty much catless downpipes, which means I will be getting rid of my stock catalytic converters and actually swapping them out with the Precat deletes. Now, I actually heard that these things take a while to put on, so I'm not gonna keep on talking, man. We're just gonna get straight into this right now. I can't wait to put these things on, man. So here they are right here, the Precat deletes. I think this is the front one, then this is the rear one. And then it came with this right here, the hardware, got the gaskets and then the bolts. So I just got to take the stock cat off. I already disconnected the battery. I got to remove the, I think that's the EGR valve, if I'm not mistaken. Supposedly this is pretty hard to do. I mean, it's pretty time consuming, but I'm gonna see how long it takes me. Right now, I just connected the battery. Now I got to remove this fan right here. And then after that, I can go ahead and start removing the cats. So I got the first cat out right there. And then I just bolted the ones for the back. After like 2 hours of fighting with the cat in the back, I finally got both of them out, man. I just need to transfer that this little tube right here to the new one. Then I can put the rear one in, but I need to also switch out the O2 sensors and everything, and it should be easier to put it back than it was to take it out, because I swear, that stuff, especially this, not the front one, but this one was a pain in the ass. All right, so now that I got the Precat deletes installed, right now I'm just about to upload the tune, and we're gonna go from there, and we're gonna see how this thing sound, man. New tune, that's what we're gonna go to, new tune. Plus sign, factory base calibration. We're gonna go to this one, 91 octane. So I'm finally done, man. I just got finished uploading the tune. I got the Precat deletes in. I'm about to drop the hood. And then back the car out the garage and stuff, man. We gonna see how this joint sound, bro. It sounds so much louder with these Precats, bro. Oh my gosh, it sounds nice, especially with the pops. When you do that little burble tune or pop tune, whatever you want to call it, man, it just sounds too great. And then when you downshift, watch this. Oh my gosh. isn't too bad. It's almost the same as like when I had the muffler delete. So I think I'm not an expert in exhaust, but like I think because it's further away from the cabin and it's more the engine and then the mufflers are more the trunk, it's not really affecting the drone. So like the resonator and then the third cat, that's like more, I think that's more where you would get like drone at. I still have my third cat and my resonator, so yeah, I plan on keeping those too, because I don't know what that's gonna sound like if I take those off, especially the resonator. I know everybody be like, get the boiler exhaust. I'm just like, nah. I mean, I don't really want that boiler exhaust. I kind of like it, but then sometimes I kind of don't at the same time. But I don't know, maybe sometime in the future I might actually get it. Let's hear these downshifts, man. Get a ticket with these, bro. This shit is loud as fuck. I forgot to show y'all that I actually put them in. You know, I got a little bit of stuff on there, but it's like I had them on for about 2 days so far. As you can see, everything good. The front one was the easiest. All you do is just unbolt these 2 bolts. Then you take these 4 bolts out up top, and then you go under the car, and then you take out those 3 bolts that's connected to the J pipe. Then you come onto the back. It's gonna be the hardest thing, man. It's gonna take forever. You wanna remove your heat shields because that'll give you a little bit more space. Then before you actually remove the cat, you wanna remove this coil pack right here, this middle one. So you got 1, 2, 3, you wanna take the middle one out. And then after you do that, you wanna slide these down. You wanna take them off, and all you do is just slide them down. These 2 right here. And then you also wanna remove your strut brace. I'm happy with the results as far as like the sound. I don't know if it gained any power. It feels like it did, sorta. That might just be from the sound maybe, and you know, the butt dyno. When I drop it into 3rd gear, it actually seemed like it pulls a little bit harder, but like I said, that could be all like a placebo effect, or you know what I'm saying. But yeah, man, I'm happy with it. It looks nice. It looks better than the stock cats.